Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Self Hustle, and this is Kemi of Self Hustle. So, in this video, we'll be talking about a particular website that can actually pay you real money, like real money to do some things. Now, a lot of you believe that you do not need any skill, or you can make tangible money online without any skill. Well, that is actually a lie, because whether you like it or not, you need a particular skill for you to make money online. Now, the only thing is the fact that there are some skills that do not require you to have the tech mindset to make money online. There are some skills that you can easily make like $20 a day, like $30 a day, like $30 an hour, $50 an hour online, and then you get paid your money. You understand? So without wasting much of our time, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do what, subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, will love you. Please do what, like this video and share, and drop it in the comment section if you have any skill or you do not have any skill. Just write, I have a skill, all right, I do not have a skill, so we can see where we can start from there, either by picking out skills that you guys can learn that are easy to learn, are free, and also free to learn online. Then with time you work more on yourself and you develop yourself. Now please note that on this online street, if you do not work more on yourself, there is no way you can make money online. But with that being said, let's just head straight into this video. So guys, this is the screen of my phone. So I'll be opening my Chrome browser right now. So guys, as you can see, this particular website is actually writer's website, because I know I have a lot of people that can write, like people that can, because I know I have a lot of people that can write, like people that can write. I know they always ask me, Kemi, please, we need other website that can also pay us to write aside writers gig and all and the rest platform. So I did my research and I found this particular website. This particular website is actually for freelance writers, like freelance people. You understand? This particular website will connect you with people, clients that are willing to hire you for whatever job you can actually offer. So it says that you can see here, it says when you work with Clear Voice, you write for top brands. All you need to do is, even if you do not have a writing skill, no problem, it is a skill, so you can always learn it. Head straight to a website called mindluster.com. Mindluster.com is actually a free website that will actually teach you some skills and will also issue you free certifications. You understand? Well, it says, well, Mindluster is actually a free website that will actually issue you free certifications. Well, it says when you work with Clear Voice, you write for top brands. The Clear Voice Talent Network is known for working with the top freelancers for hire, from writers and editors to designers and strategists. Join a community of proven professionals and receive consistent, well-paid freelance job with top brands over the long term. Now, some of you actually have skills and some do not, while some are actually working on their skills. If you do not have a skill, like I said, go straight to mindluster.com. Now, these are top brands that they've actually worked for. If you've been to Nigeria, if you've been to Nigeria, you probably have seen some of these top brands. Even if you're in the UK or the US, you have Chorus, you have Cisco, you have Intuit, you have Intel. We all know Intel, and we have a lot of other big brands. Say get hire for freelance jobs you love. Now, what they do here, they build your brand. You submit your CV to them, they help you build it, strengthen your free CV portfolio, and use Clear Voice to help you grow your business. They help you grow your business on this particular website. They help you secure better job, and they help you set your rate at you decide find your pay rate. Set your rate to see assignment and meet your pay criteria. Then you have easy client communication. They are actually a website that will help you to make your communication network with your client super easy. You also get paid. Now this is the most interesting part. What are their payment method? Their payment method here is get paid via PayPal upon assignment approval. Rest assured you get paid quickly every time. Their payment method is PayPal. Now if you do not have a PayPal account, you can reach out to me. It is not free, but we help you create a working PayPal right here in Nigeria. So all you need to do is, the first thing you have to do is to start with your CV profile. Before going straight into your CV profile, let's hear what people have actually said about working with this particular website. It says, with over 10 years marketing technology experience, my writing will bring you more sites, visitors, and conversions. These are what it's like to work with their people. Here it says, from Angela. Angela is actually an SEO web marketing content, an SEO web marketer. So she writes marketing content. Now these are what you will be getting if you sign up on this particular website. They actually help you organize your CV. They organize your work, your way. They set up your CV with custom sections and headlines. So if you're applying for other stay-at-home jobs, you'll be able to use this particular website to actually do what? Submit your CV. He said they actually also help you to add specialties like a lot of other things. Specify your top content, marketing roles and industry. Tell the story behind every project. Now they also share your CV with any device and they connect you with people that will hire you. Also they have industries. Their industries actually varies. They have marketing and advertising, they have healthcare, they have real estate, they have business, they have lifestyle and consumer, they have legal, they have education, and they have software and technology. These are their industries where you can actually, put up your CV and clients will actually, see you there. Now they are frequently asked questions. How do I apply to the Clear Voice Talent Network? All you need to do is you need to create an amazing CV. Like they help you create an amazing portfolios. You understand, where you can actually get jobs. So guys, you're not wasting much of our time, so please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do what to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. And that being said, see you guys in my next video. Thank you.